Okay, so today I'm going to make potato salad. As you can see, I've already cubed up my potatoes. And you can use as many as you want, depending on how much you want to make. I got about 10 potatoes in here. As you can see, I've also got my egg boiling in with my potatoes. So we'll bring that to a hard boil, and then we'll cut the temperature back and simmer it for about 10 minutes. You don't want to get the potatoes too soft because they'll fall apart when you're making your salad. It's not like making mashed potatoes. You got to keep them a little bit hard. So we'll let that get up to a boil, and then we'll crank her down. Now, while that's happening, I've got my celery, onions, and some bacon I'll chop up. These will be things that I'll add to the potato salad later on when I'm mixing it up. So that'll keep me busy for another 5 minutes while the potatoes boil. One thing about the potato water is also when I put in my potato water, my secret is to add salt to the water so that it gets into the potato, and then you don't have to salt the potato salad. It just tastes better. So anyways, that's a little tip. So we're going to let her boil. Okay, to cut up the onions, generally I just turn the onion on the side, cut off the top. I'm showing you this because I only have 2 hands and I need one to hold this camera. Anyways, and then I peel out the outer layer of skin, just this stuff here. That'll be discarded. Then what I'll do is just take and cut, and then the same thing this way. And then I'll be able to just slice it off, and I'll have nice little diced onion. Okay, the bacon, celery, the onions are all cut up. I'll put saran wrap over them, throw them in the fridge. Obviously the onions, I won't use all that many. And just for your information, you can freeze onions, so throw them in a baggie and save them for later. But potatoes are boiled, they've probably only got about 5 minutes, and I'll strain them off. And also put them in the fridge after I strain off the water and let them cool down. Okay, just taking them off the heat, they're ready to go. I'm cooling them off with the water, then I'll put them back in the pan and let them cool off in the fridge for a while. Okay, I'm getting ready to combine all the ingredients. See, I've got some French's mustard, some real mayo. You can use Miracle Whip if you want, but I prefer the real stuff. Got a little seasoning salt, some black pepper, the onions, the bacon, the celery that I cut up earlier. I've got to peel these eggs. I'm going to chop them up and dice them, and they'll be included too. So when I get that done, I'll show you my mixing up of everything. Now with the mayonnaise, what you want to do is just put in enough to make your potato salad as creamy as you like it. So that's adjustable. You just got to kind of add a little and add a little more and add a little more until you got the consistency you want. Okay, I'm going to add about half of what I have here in the bacon. Quite a bit of the celery, it's always good, but not all of it. I can always add more. Onions, I have someone who doesn't like a lot of onions, so I'll just put in a few. What's left you can freeze. I don't know if you know that or not. Put them in a bag, you freeze them, and then you'll have them for the next time already chopped up for hash browns or something else. Egg, a lot of egg, maybe not all of it. There's 3 eggs there. This is where it gets tricky. You just get, say you get a heap of mayonnaise. That looks like a lot, but you'll probably have to add more. But just start with a little bit because you can always add more. And then the same thing with the mustard. This is new, so I have to open it. I've tried generic mustards. Go with the French's. Alright. You'll need about a tablespoon is all. About all you need. I like lots of pepper, but I can add it later, so I will put in just a little bit. And we won't even add any salt because I salted the potatoes. Stir it in, mix it all together. Actually, it looks like I hit the mayonnaise just about right. I might add just a little bit more. Just maybe a spoonful more. So I guess in all for this batch there was about a cup there. A cup full of mayonnaise. Some people add pickle juice and that kind of stuff to it. Now, in my opinion, you just ruined it if you do that. This is pretty much how I like it, but you can add whatever you want. And there you go. There's potato salad. Taste it. If it's good, then don't do anything to it. If it needs a little salt, add a little salt, whatever. But that's the finished product.
And refrigerate.
And refrigerate, absolutely.